song Now That I'm a River. This is how I saw Charlie Watson playing it, but I'll show you how to play it in open position too. It's a little easier in open position. A, this is like the verse. E minor, D, B minor. Okay, now you can play the B minor by, if you can't play the bar chord, you could just take your A minor shape, you play at the first fret, move it up to the third and fourth frets. That's a simplified way to play it. Then it goes into like a pre-chorus. That's B minor. And then we slide up to C sharp minor. Back to B minor, C sharp minor, B minor, A major 7. A major 7 is kind of an easy jazzy chord to play. You just kind of make this triangle shape that's pointing towards the headstock. And then you can play from strings A down. Sounds like I have a string out of tune. And then the chorus is Now that I'm a river. Yeah, I think the chorus is very similar to the verse, except I think it goes A, E minor 7, I'm playing. Just play E minor if you wanted. But then I think D, B minor is split. So it's half. You go half the bar on D. So it gets through. You're much quicker on the D and the B minor in the chorus. And then now the song is in the key of D, and B minor is the relative minor. Oh, wait, I'm playing. Okay. So you got a B here at the 7th fret. So you can play B minor here. This little extension box, 5/7, 5/7 on the low end. And we got this note at the 6th fret on the G string. Because we're playing the full minor shape, we're not just playing the pentatonic. So you get this little note here. You got a note at B at the 8. So these are notes that are in the full minor scale. The full minor has 7 notes. The pentatonic only has 5 notes. So they're really, the pentatonic is just like a subsection of the minor scale. Okay, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that. Bye.